Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here with Pip Syndicate. I want to go over a trade I took this morning. Okay, this is a technique we use for scalping NAS, gold, or US 30. And it's very simple. And if you want to become profitable, guys, what you need is a simple strategy that you can just hone and, use every day. And that's the way to become profitable, guys. Forget about all these crazy ideas people come up with. Okay, I don't even use a stop loss anymore, but we'll talk about that later. But what you want to do is you want to go to the 1 o'clock, the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, guys. I was up all night with the election. Today's the day after the election, So when I came to the computer this morning, I was bullish on NAS and I'm bearish on gold because the way the election went and stuff like that. That's just in my head, what I'm thinking. So you go to the 1 hour on NAS and you mark the 8 o'clock candle, the 8 a.m. candle, New York time. Okay, you can see here I marked the bottom of it and the top of it. I use the fib retracement tool. I'll show you the settings that I use. I just have the 0, the 1, and the 0.5 to give me the middle. Okay, so you see here the bottom of the candle, the middle, the top. So what I'm looking for now is a sweep of either the bottom or the top of this candle for equity. Then I'm looking for a break of structure, going the opposite way, and a pullback to a fair value gap. I've been trying to do the replay mode here on NAS, for the video here, but it doesn't show the fair value gap for some reason. I can't get it to show the fair value gap. So I'm going to go to the actual video where I took the trade live this morning, and I'll show you on there. So this is the video. Let me make it larger. I'm going to start it. Okay, I got the sound off. I'm just gonna go quicker through it, So anyway, you can see I got it marked up, guys. Here's the bottom of the 1 hour candle. There's the middle. From here to here is like 20-something pips, and to the top is another 20-something. So what we do is, like you see here, it swept the bottom. It came down, swept the equity from the bottom. Okay, it came over. It broke structure here. And I'm just waiting for it to come back to touch this fair value gap right here. This center line is going to be my first TP. And then the top line is my final TP. That's the way we do it. It's 40-something pips. So you can see here, I'm just waiting for it to come back and touch this fair value gap. Then I'm going to enter a buy. This is live, this video this morning. So I'll put the link to it below the video if you want to go check it out. Usually, guys, when we trade every morning. And we're usually done quick, man. Very rare I'm on here for an hour and a half or 2 hours. Some of these guys are on all day. It's like watching grass grow. We try to grab a trade. We have a couple of techniques we use. I say we, I mean me, for scalping. A couple of weeks ago, we had just last week, we had 16 wins in a row. And Friday, we took an L. So now we got like 4 wins in a row again. But I just say that to say, guys, we could lose any day. We could lose 15 in a row, I guess, I see it's coming back down now. It's going to touch the fair value gap. Once it touches this fair value gap, I'm in. I got the box already. Once it touches, I'm just going to slide the box over. That's so everybody knows I'm in. That's the way I do it. When I would verbally announce I'm entering now, and then I slide the box over. So yeah, guys, we do this every morning, man. Come join us. A new channel. We got so give me a like and a subscribe. I'd appreciate it. So far we marked the top and the bottom of the 8 a.m. candle, New York time. And now we're waiting. We broke structure, going the opposite way. And now it just touched that fair value gap. So now I entered, and now I'm sliding the box over. So now we're in this trade. We're waiting for it to come here now. This is our first TP. It's like I said, it's like 20 pips. And I'm showing them where I'm going to put my stop loss right here. You see that 21 pips? It's like 22 pips, 21 pips. I measured it. Well, yeah, anyway, guys, I mean, the rest is history. We went into a little drawdown. Let me speed it up a little. Very little drawdown on the trade. Yes, like I say, guys, I usually come on at like 9:15 and start getting ready. I put the fib tool on oil, gold, US 30, NAS, and that's usually it. SPX 500 sometimes. And that's pretty much it. And then I'll set alarms sometimes. Usually I like to take NAS though. I like to trade NAS for this method, you know. I'm gonna make videos showing a couple of different ways that we scalp. But we have a pretty good record, so I mean, I want to share this. I'm not selling anything, I'm just trading. Trading can be boring, man, being on these charts. I trade grid strategy too, guys. So I don't use a stop loss, man. I'll go over that with you guys. I'll show you trades that I take with that. I layer into a loss. We'll talk about that on another video. Since I started doing that, man, I hardly ever lose a trade, man. I mean, I tripled my account last year. Yeah, so we're just waiting for it to pull out of there. It's grabbing the equity, and then it's going to go. I mean, the whole trade took like 10 minutes. Maybe a little longer. Maybe I'm exaggerating. Maybe 15 minutes. I don't think so, though. All right, right now I'm saying, guys, get ready. I'm gonna take half my profit when it hits that green line, and I'm gonna move my stop loss to this point. I read out the number where I'm gonna put my stop loss. I did that now, even though I didn't move it yet. Just letting everybody know where it's going. And then I'm gonna be, once it touches that green line, I got it set to close half. I'll put that down for a minute. Nice little trade this morning, man. You know, it's a risk-free trade now, guys. There you go. I already told them where the stop loss was. I read it out 2 or 3 times where mine was, you know. I mean, you can put yours wherever you want. I'm basically just telling you what I'm doing, you know. If you miss the exit, you could get out right now, you know. Boom, right now. Yeah, but as I remember, it messes around a little bit here because waiting for the open. Let me speed it up a little. I'm showing. I'm gonna turn it down a little. I thought it was going to come take us out. It just missed, but it didn't come down enough to take me out. But anyway, guys, that's the deal. The trade wins, obviously. But so you mark out the 8 a.m. candle, right? The 1 hour candle, the one from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Mark the top and bottom in the center, and then you wait for a liquidity sweep on either side, a break of structure. You go down to the 1 minute or the 3 minute. I prefer the 1 minute, and yeah, it's a nice trade this morning. It's fun, a lot of fun. Yeah, but you'll see sometimes like it'll come down here and break the bottom or the top, and it'll just keep going. That's why you want to wait for a pullback where it breaks structure and then comes back and touches a fair value gap. If that doesn't happen, we don't enter the trade. That's very important. That it has to do what we want, guys, or else we don't take it. This was textbook this morning. It was a textbook trade. I was looking to go long, and it just played out perfect, man. Yes, we do this every morning, guys. 9:30. Do me a favor, like the video, and subscribe, set the notifications, come join us, man. There's nobody even. I got like no subscribers yet. It's a brand new channel. We're doing good. We're winning. We're winning trades, and that's what it's all about, man. All right, here it goes. I think. That was it, guys. You know, a nice trade, guys. Do me a favor, like the video, man. We'll see you in the morning. Come trade with me, man. We'll have some fun, man. We'll win some money. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And have a great day on purpose, guys. God bless. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow, guys.